How you doing, guys? I'm Kadi Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to make a simple dish by the name of beef Madras. And today's goal is to make it as simple as possible so that everyone can make it at home even though you are running out of time. So without further ado, let's get started right now. Cut the beef into 1-inch cubes. I'm using top side today. You can use top side, you can use chucks, brisket, or rumps, is up to you. Next, gather all the ingredients required for this recipe besides the beef. Chop garlic, chop ginger. Alternatively, you can use the store-bought ginger garlic paste. Some coriander, chopped onion, curry leaves, cumin seeds, and also tomato paste. And we also need to measure some ground spices, bay leaves, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, and Kashmiri chili powder. As for the coriander leaves, I have chopped some to cook and reserved some to garnish. Now let's start cooking. Sear the beef in hot oil until both sides start to develop some char marks. This is an optional step as it adds flavor to the end result. But you can omit it, especially if you are running out of time. Look at those slightly char marks, those are flavors. Heat some oil in a pan over low heat and then add the cumin seeds. So let it sizzle. When you start to smell the aroma of the cumin rising up, add the curry leaves. Ooh, too much water. There's a lot of water in the curry leaves, but it doesn't matter. It's dry by no time. And if you don't have curry leaf, you can omit the curry leaf, it is optional. Then followed by the ginger and garlic. And then followed by the chopped onion. Saute until the onions turn soft, and now we are ready to put everything into the pot or slow cooker. Place the beef into the slow cooker. This is a very old slow cooker passed down from my parents. All the stuff that we have already fried, garlic, ginger, onion, cumin, all the ground spices, season with some salt, give it a good mix. You can certainly use a pot on stovetop, and pressure cooker will save you a lot of time. But I'm going to use my old-fashioned slow cooker to see whether it works well today. Add some water, not too much, as it is a relatively dry dish. Also some tomato paste. Some chopped coriander, And now let's slow cook the beef for some time. I've cooked the beef for more than 3 hours. Let's take a look. Since I do not put lots of water, it has reduced to become a thick gravy. And that is exactly what I want, because beef Madras is supposed to be quite dry. Let's do a taste test. Everything is okay except I just need to add a little bit of salt. Let's cook again for a few more minutes. Okay, now the consistency is just what I want. The taste is balanced. Now let's remove it from the slow cooker. That's how to prepare this simplified version of beef Madras by using store-bought ground spices and slow cooker. I've included the recipe in the description below the video, and don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.